He's like Akshay Patel, but he should improve his game like Shakib Al Hasan.
Okay.
Right now he's Akshay Patel.
Okay. Mauli, what would you say for who international player resembles Sandeep?
Sandeep, as I said, more like Hardik Pandya. He bats like
More like Hardik. Shivam Dubey.
normally comes at the end, like to accelerate.
Okay.
Normally he also bowls after the main bowlers are bowled out. He normally give it. So that is a role normal thing. So I was comparing to Hardik Pandya.
Okay. Whom would you consider? Sandeep?
Sandeep, I would rather consider this guy. What is that? His name Raina.
Raina. Whom would you consider?
Jadeja, but not
Jadeja, Raina.
Jadeja, but not fielding wise. Okay. Russell. See, come here.
Don't be with your girlfriend.
Yeah. Talk to your girlfriend later.
Talk to your girlfriend later. Come.
Come here.
Yeah, I have tooth.
So still you can have a girlfriend. That is okay.
That is right.
So Russell, whom would you consider Sandeep as an international player?
Imran, come. Why are you sitting there alone? Come.
Huh? You have to tell today only. Huh. You have to tell today only.
Yeah, I will take another one next week.
Tell.
Wild guess.
Okay. Till the time you take, by the time you think of it, we'll move to the next two. Jitu is done. Mauli is done.
Karthik is not done.
Karthik is not done. So, Karthik, whom would you
Karthik
consider?
is like stylish batsman like Lakshman, VVS Lakshman.
Lakshman.
He
Okay.
used to play a good shot in off.
Okay. So you guys saw his batting today, right? Whom you would consider?
No, very good strokes. I mean, any top order batsman you take opening, I think, not Kohli exactly, but yeah, good batting.
Take any name.
Bowler name?
Yeah, I think
Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill.
Shubman
Nice.
Gill.
Okay. Mauli, what you would consider him? Which player?
I'm missing out on some scoring.
Okay. That's okay. As long as you put sixes instead of dot ball, it is okay. Okay. You said
Ricky Ponting.
Ricky Ponting. Okay. Russell, at least you have a name for Karthik, or for that also you need some.
Karthik.
Karthik, he plays like Dinesh Karthik.
Rinku Singh.
Right.
Rinku Singh. For me, you are more of a Dravid. Considering our Tampines League, you have always been there. When wicket falls, you have stopped the fall of the wicket. So for me, you are a very reliable batsman, Dravid.
I'm not comparing with the Indian batsman. I'll say him as Ranatunga.
Who?
Ranatunga.
Because of size?
Because of the style he plays
Okay.
and the way he feeds.
Yes, actually
okay.
correct. Actually Ranatunga.
Okay. That was a nice session, guys. Thank you.
Wait, Ramesh, we haven't completed Ramesh Gawade.
Okay. So, yeah.
Ramesh Gawade, I would rather consider him as a batsman.
Uh-huh.
This guy, what is his name? From New Zealand opener.
Sachin Ravindra.
Flynn.
Devon Conway.
No, the other guy who retired. Guptill. Guptill. As a batsman, I would consider because he's a very fiercing batsman. When he
Okay.
kicks off, he's very fierce.
I consider
And-
him
huh.
Ramesh Bhai as Shahid Afridi because he's aggressive in his nature, but he's tried to suppress it.
No, Shahid Afridi, he only scores against India.
No, not to India after some time.
Yeah.
Only first few.
Yeah, that's all, exactly. So, not Shahid Afridi, I would rather go for Guptill.
Guptill.
And as a bowler, I would rather consider as a bowler, right? What is Chris Cranes? You know Chris Cranes?
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
Yes. He is a very good bowler, wicket
Yeah,
taker.
you have got like similar like action, similar like bowling setup. Sometimes he gives a sharp bouncer, sometimes he gives in swings, out swings. Chris Cranes.
I found a good comparison. Andrew Flintoff.
Andrew Flintoff
Like
also.
exactly fits.
Yeah,
all kind
Andrew
of batting
Flintoff,
position.
exactly. Andrew Flintoff.
No, but I personally feel he's like Zimbabwean opener. What was his name? 1999 hero. क्या नाम था उसका?
Andy Flower,
Andy
Grand
Flower,
Flower.
Grand Flower.
some Blignot or something कोई अच्छा था बैट्समैन यार बहुत अच्छा बैट्समैन था
Offside player,
Uh,
offside six hitting player.
उनके 5 ऑलराउंडर थे Easy Streak Blignot
Okay, by the time you recollect, you have seen me bowling batting today, right? So whom would you say?
He's a good all-rounder.
Neil Johnson.
Neil Johnson.
Yeah, he's Neil Johnson.
Neil Johnson.
Okay.
He can ball first over as well and first.
Sorry?
Yeah,
Talking
yes,
about
yes,
yourself, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
exactly. सारा all-rounder. जाडेजा तो क्या? जाडेजा already गया. है जाडेजा.
Okay. Russell?
What do you think about Ramesh?
For me, it's, I think, like Axar Patel.
Akshar Patel.
Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. It was a nice session.
We haven't completed Russell.
Russell we did. He's,
The last thing to be there, what he is. And now the session is over.
no. I had finished it last round. He only told me do it for
What do you
Ramesh.
consider about Chotu?
Aim for him.
I mean, for him, I just saw his one match only. I think,
He's an emerging player.
yeah, he's an emerging player. I mean, I have not seen much of him yet. But then,
No, don't consider him with our standards. Consider him with his own
no,
standards.
his standards also, right? I think little bit more pace should be there. With his age also, little bit more pace should be there. Because that is very slow. Okay.
You
So
have
so
to-
good batsman.
You should not
Yeah.
hold like this. You have to hold like this. Only then you can generate.
Jimmy
pace.
Nisham. I will consider him as Jimmy
Yeah.
Nisham.
So that is one thing, because while throwing also, right, I think I saw your throws also are not coming with pace. Those should come with pace. But then considering his slow bowling and everything,
Yeah,
and
when you release also, you have to
batting,
release-
I think I can consider him as Shane Watson.
No, the reason why is because this generation they don't have much friends like the way we used to have. So he's only. Is he going for any coaching?
He used to go earlier, not anymore.
Not now. So the only choice left out is at this age we were mingling with friends.
And then,
Yeah,
and
so-
if you try to become a bowler, don't
Muscle-
use
yeah,
tennis ball
it's
to bowl.
building now.
Ladder ball, season ball.
No,
And if
he.
you're trying to come for a tennis ball cricket, just play back. I mean, it will be good for you to compromise on the pace and batting for my
No, he can. I mean, see, he can try cutters and everything here.
Go with striker. So this is relatively heavy ball as compared to what we are getting in tennis side. So this is relatively heavy. So
tennis cricket is going to improve your. I mean, it's not going to diminish for any reason, for sure. Either it will improve or you will keep it there, but it will not going to. Okay, guys.
Nice talking.